Hi, hello guys, this is PBN again, and yeah, today in this video, I'm planning to cover how to flash a custom ROM, especially a custom ROM called the Ultimatum for Samsung Galaxy S5830 users. Yeah, this is one of the fastest ROM that I have ever used, and this is almost the penultimate version, and it's really super fast RAM, one of the fastest ROM I have experienced for Samsung Galaxy is. We'll cover about flashing this ROM and its special features. Well, yeah, as you can see, I am in the recovery mode. As you know, you have to hold the home button here and the power on button in the side, both together, so that the recovery mode comes up. And yes, obviously you have to do this. As you know, your phone must be rooted. You need to have this clockwork mode recovery and all those things. I have covered all these things in my previous video. If you want, you can watch it. Well, now first things first, let me do wipe data or factory reset first in my phone. These are, and then I'll go to mounts and storage and format everything except your SD card, because that is where your ROM is situated. So format cache, format data, this is format system. Yeah, and pretty much that is it. Now press the back button and go to advanced. If you want, you can wipe Dalvik cache and battery starts as well. It's recommended, and I'll do it too. Yeah, I'm gonna wipe Dalvik cache and wipe battery stats. Pretty much for flashing any custom ROM, the steps are same. So yeah, we are all set. Now go to install from SD card, install zip from SD card. Hope you can see, and choose zip from SD card. Actually, you must know where the ROM is situated. Mine's in the Super Beam folder. Yeah, this is the one, Ultimatum 4.9. This is the one. Yeah, yes, install. As I said, this is the penultimate version of this wonderful ROM. Well, the great thing is this thing, the Aroma Installer. As you can see, there's a lot of options. First thing, let's hit OK. Stand. Yeah, and the Aroma installer is very cool. Some of you might have experienced it. First of all, yeah, system info or the ROM installation. I'll go with the ROM installation, and yeah, it gives you a lot of options, plenty of options to customize according to your taste. So for user interface, Holo, Metro, MIUI style, and Timescape. Timescape is Xperia, Holo is Jelly Bean style, Metro is Windows style, and MIUI style. I prefer the Holo, the Jelly Bean style. I'll hit, or else let me try with the Timescape this time. Okay, now so bass, super beats bass, or this is for the DSP, that's sound wiper FX. None. I'll hit wiper FX. Beats is also wonderful. So which kernel, swap all kernel or fire kernel? Fire kernel is performance oriented. Swap all if you have to extend your memory and all those things, memory expansion, and swap if you have to set swappiness. We'll go with the fire kernel now for now. So let this be normal, whatever the preset values. If you want, you can change. They are all something like, yeah, overclocking, and which kernel you want. If you want, you can change it. I have set it for non-overclock. You can, if you want to overclock, you can set the overclock kernel with the overclock support. Okay, and all those things. As you can see, it has lots and lots of customizations. You can install the ROM according to your choice. So pretty much the number of governors and all those things, I will set it as it is, and now the actual installation starts. And yeah, I actually wanted to show you this. This is one of the coolest part of the ROM, the Aroma Installer, which lets you install a ROM according to your taste, what you want. So one of the coolest features. Now the ROM installation will take some time. Till then, I'll pause the video and get back to you when the installation is done. Yeah, so guys, the installation of ROM is almost done. As you can see, yeah, finished. And hit next. Reboot your device. Hit next, and yeah, rebooting. Okay, the first boot will take some time. As you know, if you have installed any custom ROMs, you will already know that it will take some 3 to 5 minutes probably. The cache will be generated during this time. So once again, I'll pause the video and get back to you when the boot animation comes up. Yeah, as I promised, the boot animation has come up. Yes, cool boot animation. The Xperia Cynogen you saw earlier, now this is the Ultimatum. This is the ROM name. As I told you earlier, this is one of the fastest ROM available for Samsung Galaxy S. At least I have I have tried about 50 to 80 ROMs. Maybe it has exceeded 100 too, but this is one of the ROM that I was using for a long period of time, and I wanted to get this ROM updated as soon as possible. Because it's completely performance oriented, one thing, and the other thing, you can customize it according to your taste, however you want. It can support anything, everything. So yeah, finally it's up. As you can see, I have installed the Timescape UI, Xperia style UI. I think you recognize it. It's really wonderful. And as I told you, yes, the launcher is completely Xperia launcher. It's one of the fastest ROM. It runs on cynogenmod 7. Actually, this ROM, the Ultimatum ROM, but as you know, Galaxy S is just made for cynogenmod 7, so you cannot get a better experience than this. It's completely performance oriented. Your multitasking or any games will run without any lags if you use this ROM. Very fast, very much wonderful. So as you can see how quickly each and every app opens. That's one of the indicator if the ROM is fast or not. Yeah, and it's Timescape UI. It's just a clone or replica of the Xperia launcher. So that's it, guys, for this time. I hope you enjoy this ROM. Please do give it a try. As I said, it's one of the coolest ROM and fastest ROM available for Galaxy S users. There will be no performance issues with this ROM, I can guarantee you that. So just give it a try. And if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. There will be a lot of encouragement, and it will motivate me to do more cool new videos. So like this video if you find it useful, and thank you. Peace until we meet again.